Hello, everybody. Welcome to Comics and More. Today, we are going to learn how to flatten the fisheye image on your GoPro or any action cam. And we are going to do it here at Comics and More. So that you will not miss the latest from Comics and More, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get the latest from this channel. To start off, we are going to open our browser and head over to filmora.wondershare.com. You can try it for free for 30 days, and then you have here a lot of options for you to edit videos. I recommend this tool because it's a very easy way for you to have a flattened image, a flattened video from your action camera. So let's open it up. I have already installed it in my computer here. This is version 8.4.0 and we are going to use the Action Cam tool. So let's open that up. As you can see here, all we have to do is just import that file. It's not the one. Okay, so let's use this because it has lines on it so that we can clearly see how the video is flattened. So let's try to play it. I think it's still reading the video file. And let's just wait for it to render properly. So here what we're going to use is the lens correction. And then I think this video I took from a playground action camera, way cheaper than a GoPro, is using the GoPro Hero 4 specs, or what you call those settings. Okay, and then we're going to use as you can see here, the lines are curved. So let's try to use the 1080p wide. Okay, this time, as you can see, the line is now straight. Okay, so this is the setting I'll be using for this camera. In your case, you can try out the different modes or presets here. For lens correction, you have, again, this is the original file. It's curved. Okay, you can clearly see that in the video. And then here we're going to try to use a GoPro Hero 3 setting. Let's use the 1080p wide. Okay, so I don't really like that, so let's use the Hero 4 and then 1080p wide. Again, this will be different on your action camera. Okay, you can try out the stabilization mode. Okay, this is a little zoomed in, so I will not use that. Okay, play with the settings you have here, but I'm good with this. Okay, this is the setting for GoPro Hero 4 1080p wide. So I think that's also the setting I've used here for the video I took around the Temple of Leia. Okay, so this video now is a little flattened compared to its original video. So once you're done, you can export the video and then put the name of the video on it. You can choose also where to save it, but we'll just leave it at default here. Okay, and then we'll press OK. Now it will take some time for you to convert the video to a flattened video. Okay, so to say, it's become flattened or defished. Okay, so it will take some time and then I'll come back when it's almost done. Please stand by. And now we're done. We're almost done here. Sorry, we're almost done. Okay, so I don't want to open the folder, so let's just choose do nothing. Okay, it's almost done, almost. Okay, we're done. Now, let's open the folder we have made here. Okay, so here, no, this should be edited. Okay, so this is the file we have edited with Filmora. Let's try to play it. Okay, so I think it's not playing. Let's close this first. Maybe there's a lot of RAM usage by Filmora because it was converting the video. So I can't play it. So let's open VLC Media Player. Okay, this is a portable version of VLC. Okay, I will be teaching you how to use that or make one portable um, application soon. Okay, so we opened that file again. It's in my desktop. Okay, here. No, this one. Okay, so it's in my this folder. And then on this. Okay, so this is the converted file being played on VLC. Okay, so as you can see now, there are no more curved lines. Okay, this is the video I took. Sorry about the screen recorder. Okay, it's lagging sometimes. So again, it's now flattened or defished. And what I would want to do now is compare it to the original file or the original video. So let's open the file. We have it in our desktop. Okay, this one is the original video. Let's play it on media player. Okay, see there the curved lines. Okay, so this, let's try to do it side by side here so that it will be better. Let's try to do a side by side window. Okay, so on the left is the edited video playing on VLC, and the one in media player is the original file. Okay, so as you can see there, the lines are now straight compared to the curved lines on the original file. Okay, so as you can see there, it's now flat on the VLC. It's curved on the original file. Okay, here. Now, this part on the sides of the video have been cut off so that it would look flatter. Okay, as you can see on the original file, which is moving right now, you see here the curved lines. Then on the edited video, okay, let's move it a little. Okay, so as you can see there, there are no more curved lines, but some parts of the video has been cut off. So if you can sacrifice a little space from the video, then the image or the video will look flatter. Okay, so no more fisheye for the video. Okay, I'll try my best to make this as synchronized as possible. Yeah, I'll stop it here on the VLC side. Stop it here. Okay, so it's now synchronized. Okay, see the difference? So I hope you learned something today. If you have questions or clarifications, please leave them in the comments down below. And please do subscribe to our channel, Comics and More. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching Comics and More.